the success of our program, Yashachi Gurukilli, where I had interviewed Mr. Sanjeev Pendarkar, the managing director of VICO, who has been looking after VICO since last 40 years, right? And we have come up with an amazing program specially for you, and that is Unstoppable You. And I suppose I'll just give you a brief introduction about this program. Why we have come up with this is in life and in business and practically everywhere. There are lots of storms we face, there are lots of problems we face, and many times people stop when they find serious problems. And here is a person who has taken not just his own life but the whole company through many storms of business. And that is, am I right, sir?
Right, you are perfectly right.
And that is where I want your guidance. I want you to guide our people.
Yeah.
So please.
This is an introductory video, and I would like to say that in Unstoppable You, please do not ever underestimate yourself.
Yeah.
You have got a lot of potential.
Yeah.
And with that potential, you can do miracles. I will just tell you example of Thomas Edison because it's relevant to our present situation.
Yeah.
Like Thomas Edison, at the age of 65, 67, there was a big fire in his factory.
Oh my God.
And 10 buildings of fire, 10 buildings were destroyed.
Oh my God, oh my God.
So his 24-year-old son was worried and he was looking at his daddy.
Huh?
And he said, "Oh, Daddy, whatever you have earned, everything is finished." But Edison smilingly replied to it that, "Please don't worry. Watch at the scene. Call your mother. She will call her and ask her to call her friends and see that how everything is getting destroyed, because such scene you will not be able to see in life again, not even in movies." So son called his son, and son went to call all the mother and her friends. And what did Edison say? That whatever rubbish I made in the life is destroyed.
So whatever are the mistakes are gone.
Mistakes are gone.
And the new life is coming up.
New life is coming up, because what we call success. Success is not what you get, but success is what you become. Many people think that if I earn so much money or whatever XYZ things,
Okay.
then there I am successful. But as rightly it is said, that success is not what you get, but what you become. So from next episode,
No, that means when you say success is what you become, that means whatever experience you gather out of every kind of an unforeseen situation, unforeseen problem, you learn out of it.
absolutely right.
And as you go on learning more and more, the more and more, that means the more and more you learn, the more and more successful you become. That
Yes.
means the more and more problems you face, the more and more successful you become.
That's right. Because you know how to, you know way out how to come out of the problem.
Yes.
We have started our business in 1952, and it's now almost, we will just complete in 75 years. And we'll be celebrating that function.
Yes.
So from next episode, we'll be coming with the the problems which Vico has faced
Yes.
and narrate you in brief the gist of the matter
Yes.
or what problems exactly we face.
That's
So till
great.
that time,
And I would also say one thing out here. Is that means when you face a storm, some people break with the storm,
yes,
some people lie low and let the storm pass,
pass.
and some people ride the storm and go high.
That's right.
So what has Vico done?
Actually, Vico means everyone has that potential. Only requirement is your strong ambition, dedication, and whole day and night. If you think about your business and how to get, you must focus on solutions rather than problem.
No,
And
I would interrupt.
yes,
Yes. Would you say that there are times when Vico faced a lot of storm, where people were expecting that Vico would break, but you were standing there like a rock and you made Vico rock?
right. So we will be coming in details with next episode. What are the problems faced by us and how we looked at whether we looked at problems or as an opportunity.
Yes.
That will be saying
Yes.
we'll be discussing in next episode. Till that time, goodbye.
Let's say goodbye and stay tuned and be with us.
Thank
And
you.
yes, subscribe our channel so that you'll be able to see every episode that we upload. You have
Yes.
to press the bell icon in order to get the notification.
That is the only requirement
Don't
from
do
you. We don't want anything from you. You enjoy
Do
the
this
episode
and-
and subscribe the channel
And not just subscribe the channel,
and share.
grow yourself in your life after getting the
Absolutely
the guidelines.
right.
Because I think we are doing this because we want to see a stronger India with more and more Indian entrepreneurs growing.
Absolutely.
So stay tuned. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank